This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing the imbalance quickly and precisely. Take photos from 3 angles and measure range of motion and strength so you know the size and direction of the asymmetry. Once done, pick unilateral movements, single leg or single arm, so you force the weaker side to work. Use low intensity and deliberate tempo. Slow reps reveal compensations. Make sure to log numbers, sets, reps, and any range limits. This gives you actionable feedback from the first session and prevents fixing the wrong thing. Now you move into focused retraining where execution matters. Start every pair of sets with the weaker side, then match the strong side to avoid overloading it. If progress stalls, add a single extra set to the weak side. Combine mobility work for restricted joints and neural glides to free movement patterns because flexibility limits strength expression. Progress load asymmetrically. Only increase weight on the weaker side when form is clean, so you avoid reinforcing old compensations. Finally, you consolidate gains and prepare for long-term symmetry. Reassess monthly with the same photos and measurements so you can objectively judge progress and tweak programming. Add corrective tools like paused reps, slow tempo, bands, and eccentric emphasis on the stubborn side to challenge neuromuscular control. Make sure to taper volume if fatigue accumulates so improvements consolidate. If you see no meaningful change in 6 to 8 weeks despite consistent effort, consult a specialist to rule out structural issues or adjust recovery and load management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.